Hello, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. Today, we will be talking about the best printer for small business owners. As many of us know, having the right printer for your business can be the difference between success and failure. That's why we have picked some of the best printers available on the market to help ensure your small business can meet any printing needs it may have. To get these best printers for your small business, be sure to click the link below in the description box because these links are updated daily, which means you can get the best deals available. So without further ado now, let's take a look at the best printers for small businesses. Number 1 is HP Color LaserJet Pro M479fdw. Do you need a high-performance printer that can handle the demands of your small business? If so, then look no further than the HP Color LaserJet Pro M479fdw. This multifunction printer offers the speed, reliability, and security features you need to keep your business moving forward. With its built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, you can easily connect this printer to your network and start printing from your devices right away. And thanks to its compact design and customizable touchscreen control panel, you can quickly automate complicated workflows and save time on routine tasks. But what really sets the HP Color LaserJet Pro M479fdw apart is its advanced security features. The printer is equipped with HP Wolf Pro Security, which protects your company data and safeguards against cyberattacks with hardware, firmware, and OS-level security measures. Plus, with its energy-efficient design and original HP toner cartridges, this printer can help you reduce waste and save money on printing costs over time. And with a 1-year, next business day on-site warranty, you can rest assured that you'll have the support you need to keep your business running smoothly. Whether you need to print, scan, copy, or fax, the HP Color LaserJet Pro M479fdw is the ideal choice for small businesses that demand the best. So why wait? Check out the link in the description box and invest in the power and performance of this top-rated printer today and see the difference it can make for your business.